Are you working yourself into the ground? Do you feel miserable about your 9-to-5 job? If you want to break out of this downward spiral while doubling your income, watch this video until the end, because we will cover 7 ways to make money on the side so you can quit your 9-to-5 job in no time while having more income to spend. In the world today, there are 3 types of people. The first set is those who live a life where they have to regularly show up in a suit and tie just to keep up with their 9-to-5 job, which more or less makes them sick. To them, their white-collar job seems more like a jail term involving hard roadside labor with traditional shackles and chains. The second group is those who enjoy their 9-to-5 jobs. These guys go to work with the satisfaction of having no ownership in the business and the freedom to leave at any time without incurring any obligations. The third set is those who make limitless earnings from side gigs without any hassle. Unfortunately, getting trapped in 9-to-5 work you detest is very easy. But how can you make money from a side hustle to quit your 9-to-5 work? Believe me when I tell you it's pretty much easier to get out of your 9-to-5 job and make seemingly endless earnings from legit side gigs. If ditching your 9-to-5 job is what you call freedom, then I guess you are on the path to freedom. Right here we'll show you how to transition from the first set of people to the third set of people. To get started, you need to tap the like button and subscribe to this channel. Also, I'll be dropping very important links to websites where you can get side gigs, so you must stay tuned and watch this video to the end so you won't miss any pertinent information. Without further ado, let's get straight to the details. Number 7. Write a book. Although many people dream of publishing a book, only very few follow through. Due to the wide range of publishing options, writing a book is easier than ever. Consider fiction writing as a potential side business if you enjoy writing. Talented self-published fiction authors with active audiences who are constantly on the lookout for a new release can be found in abundance on book marketplaces like Amazon and the like. You can advertise fiction for free through a wide range of internet platforms and sell it outright on your website or via a marketplace. There's always something to do, since you can also compose stories as a ghostwriter for others. Number 6. Become a web or app tester. Suppose you lack the necessary professional abilities but are familiar with using apps and websites. In that case, you might enjoy testing websites for media businesses and developers. When a company wants to uncover faults in an existing website, or before programmers launch a fresh website or app, they pay website testers to explore the site, analyze a few functionalities, and highlight accessibility concerns. For this job, all you really need is an adequate computer, a smartphone for testing apps, and a connection to the internet. Web testers only need a little education or experience because they can work well with the web programmers that hire them. Consider the opportunity to provide a free evaluation from the convenience of your own residence on apps or websites. All you have to do is experiment with the virtual environments of these websites and apps as prototypes. Share your discoveries and experiences, and offer suggestions for improvement. In conclusion, you are following the user journey and providing the creators with useful feedback. Number 5. Invest in real estate. Real estate may be a lucrative investment in a variety of ways. Some investors are ready to put in a lot of sweat just to trade houses and make some extra cash. Others decide to create a portfolio of rental properties and take advantage of the monthly income generated by rent. Alternative investment options include REITs. Whatever approach you decide on, you must start small and be willing to take chances when looking for homes. Buying a 2 to 4 unit property to live in while renting out the second unit is one of the simplest ways to get started. It is a fantastic method for creating equity and generating passive income. A lucrative real estate side business opportunity that has the potential to yield dividends and recurring revenue is investing in real estate investment trusts, REITs. Public REITs are an excellent option for investors in various real estate asset classes in various parts of the globe because they are traded on the trading platforms just like equities and bonds. Mortgage commercial real estate and universal healthcare are the 3 industries with increased yield rates that generate income of 7% or more. Number 4. Become a consultant. Establishing a consulting business has several advantages, like flexible working hours, unlimited income potential, the ability to select your clients and projects, and more. These advantages have increased the appeal of this career path. Only some people who are intrigued by the idea of independent consultancy can dive into it. Taking a second job as a part-time consultant can help you progressively move from a typical work position to a full-time consulting one. Use consultancy to turn your field of knowledge into extra cash in your pocket. You can be recruited by a business to examine its procedures and offer suggestions to enhance performance. For instance, a side gig as a fashion consultant for high-end buyers may be available for fashionistas with an eye for the latest trends. Some customers will pay good bucks for style advice and even ask their shop assistants to choose entire ensembles for various seasons. Eventually, you will meet the customers as a fashion consultant to learn about their likes, dislikes, personalities, and style objectives. Number 3. Become a freelancer. There is likely some aspect of business where you may specialize. It might be writing, data entry, video creation, or accountancy. Some individuals will pay you well to manage that aspect of their business if you are good at it. Business entrepreneurs with sound judgment understand that they should concentrate on their strengths and outsource the rest. Here is where you may generate extra income by doing what you enjoy. Freelance writing can be a great way to generate income outside a 9-to-5 job. Many people are seeking writers more than ever before. As the world becomes more digital, you can pitch articles to journals and websites like Vogue and Forbes, which are always seeking talented contributors to get started working as a freelancer. Additionally, you can consider resume writing if you are the brainer person for resume and cover letter advice among your peers. It is advisable to list your services on marketplaces like Fiverr and Upwork. Just log on to Fiverr.com or Upwork.com and get started. This approach is one of those side jobs where you can establish a reputation and gradually raise your fees. Number 2. Become a bookkeeper. Technically, fewer businesses are presumed to hire full-time bookkeepers over the next 10 years due to developments in accounting software. Despite this, people still require bookkeepers. Bookkeepers who work part-time from home are capable of managing a modest workload. Most employers of bookkeepers look for evidence that candidates have some experience and a thing for statistics. A college degree and expertise in math or accounting are undoubtedly advantageous. You can take advantage of the free training offered by popular accounting software programs like FreshBooks or QuickBooks. Number 1. Start a blog. Finally, starting a blog can be an excellent strategy to get extra income. Although it takes time to develop a following, there are several ways to monetize the blog once you do. It is critical to concentrate on producing high-quality material for your blog and put a lot of effort into getting it seen by readers if you want to be successful. Blogging is not a hobby where you can generate money while lounging around at home in your pajamas. It needs time, effort, and quality. Eventually, it may become quite lucrative. Without needing a 9-to-5 job and any prior expertise, blogging can be a superb way to get money. Good blogs are beneficial because they are distinctive, so you can share your experience, tell your narrative, and act as a resource online for those who don't know where to turn. Writing blog articles, marketing, and other upfront tasks will be necessary. Still, followers and sponsors will come to you naturally if your content is dependable and worthwhile. Furthermore, it is very crucial that everyone has a side business because the modern economy requires modern employment in order to succeed financially. With an adequate side job, you can make more money to help you achieve your main financial objectives, such as retirement savings or student loan repayment. Although side businesses have been common throughout history, more people than ever are beginning to set their foot in the world of infinite earnings by venturing into numerous side hustles. If you enjoyed the video, like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.